In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide comments on Instagram. For some reason, you want to turn off comment on your Instagram post, but you don't know how. And I'm going to show you quick steps on how to do it. Make sure to stay to the end of this video for the entire steps. A quick view on my Instagram post shows that comments are off, and I'm going to show you how to get it done. Simply navigate to the plus icon here as if you are going to add a new post to your Instagram. Then proceed to select the image that you want to share on your Instagram posts. In my case, I want to select this screenshot on Windows. Then from here, I will proceed to click on this arrow icon. If I have any adjustment to do to this picture, I will proceed to leave here. Otherwise, I will maintain this. Then from there, I will proceed to click on this arrow again. On this interface, once you are done with the caption that you want to write and everything, you will just proceed to the advanced settings at the bottom and click there. On this interface, you see comments. Under the comment, you see turn off commenting. So you have to proceed to toggle on the turn off commenting. From there, you can proceed to navigate back, then proceed to post this your image. Then we have it. This is the posts, and when we scroll down, we'll see that comments are off. Now the question is, what if you post something maybe last month or 2 years ago and you want to turn off comments on it? All you have to do is to locate to your Instagram profile. Then you have to navigate to the post that you want to turn off those comments. So in this case, let's say I want to turn off comments on this post. All I have to do is to navigate to the three ellipse on the top right corner, then proceed to click on turn off commenting. So this will also turn off comments on these posts. If for any reason later you had a change of mind and you want to turn it on, all you have to do is to proceed to click on this review control, then navigate to turn on commenting. This will allow all comments to be shown on this Instagram posts. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.